I came to make a name. Got your star and leave it on that pavement. Came to entertain. But what I didn't know is that a stage would be my gauge. Cause when you only see your beauty in the applause, you can't love yourself in this silence. Yeah, I wanna see my worth when no one else.
Hey guys, I don't know if you can see me or hear me properly, but I'm using my phone to make this quick intro. So I traveled and I got back yesterday. They delivered my fridge. So today my sister wants to get something done in town. Don't come out. My sister wants to get something done in town, so I figured we should go together. And I'm trying to get curtains, so I might as well just check for curtains and some other stuff. So yeah, this is just like a quick intro. And the bike man is already waiting for me because this place here is very hard to get Uber or Bolt. So we might get to like the junction first before we request for Uber or Bolt. So I'll see you guys like pretty much later. So we are about to take a bus to Aleshinloye market now, and this is my first time entering this mikra. I tell you, I kid you not. But yeah, so um, it's just my sister and I. Hey guys, so we're headed to Aleshinloye now, and I'm inside this popular Ibadan cars called Mikra. Okay, this is the first time in my life. I'm saying Mikra, I'm not Baba. This is like the first time in my life I'm actually in a Mikra. In fact, I was really skeptical. I don't know if you can hear me, and I'm not wearing a pipe, but I'm literally screaming because we're on the road and then they're on and cars are passing by. So yeah, I'm headed to Aleshinloye, like I said, for cutting. My sister finished very late at the jam center. So yeah, let's enjoy the ride. I want kind of like experience the whole Mikra stuff because they say I've always heard that Ibadan drivers are like Mikra stuff are kind of like really wild. So I don't know, but I guess we're just going to find out. And I'm vlogging with my phone. I think in Ibadan I'm more comfortable vlogging with my phone because they are typical Yorubas. So they might be like, oh, why are you filming? Even if I hold like the very small camera that I have, and to avoid stuff and stress like that, I didn't bring out my camera, so I'm using my phone and I'm literally holding it. My hand is about to fall off. But yeah, see you at the market. I don't want to vlog the road too much, but
Go out and hop up at the show for me. You ain't that bad when no one else is around. I thought that you would need some help from me, but mama, you ain't even help.
it's not even, it's like this material is no. No, to take it.
Your phone color.
Katie, I can't tell one color. This one is too thick. It's too thick. Something no, but I don't want this design. Now this design, like but something like this. But this color, thickness. Okay, but grey. The grey is like this kind of. Well, I will let it thick. Yeah, come and see this one.
It's my packet now. Ẹgbẹ́ initially ẹ̀kọ́ ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ máa pàkẹ́.
Tó bá ti tíìkì jù má wọ̀rì mi ò yá yín mo fẹ́ fi tó dà má lè fi hàn.
Ọlọ́run fẹ́ wẹ́ pé.
So for this one, for like bedsheet material, they said it's looking like guinea, right? But it's bedsheet material, and they said 11.5 yards for like a bedsheet, duvet, and 4 pillowcase. This is what they use for the duvet, the inserts. But this one is like material. But this one is giving us. This one is another material. Peter, come and see. Ooh. So we have a lot of options here. Sure you see. Ah, they're like
1
really,
5, 1 5.
they're like really a whole lot of design. See what it's better. Oh, better come out okay. Oh yeah.
This one is 2,000.
Abba. Your wajem. My phone is not picking.
Exactly the color.
Very hard, safe. Let me see the color that she. A dark, you know. What one pod. Like the darking is too much. What's like the least price you have for like curtains that have good quality?
This.
Like the lowest price.
Yes. This. And also this. No problem.
She said this is a bus shop that we should come.
Yes.
So this one is 2.5
Yes.
per yard.
Per yard.
And we'll use 11, let's say 12 yards, Abby.
Let's say 12, Abby. I don't know. Are you going to do 3.5 for the fiber? Abby 3 years.
Let's say 3.5.
3.5. Okay. You now say 7.
12.5.
Okay, 12.5.
It will not be 2.5 times 12.5.
Yes, ma'am.
Jesus Christ.
Plus the fiber.
2.5.
Now quality white you won't buy.
2.5 times 12 is how much? 5,000. I said 2.5 times 12, 5,000. Okay.
30K.
Abby,
30K.
just for basis.
It's quality now. You're going for the quality, but if you don't mind, you can go for this one.
See as I open mouth down. Oh yeah, let me see the one that you want me to go for.
You can go for
How much is that one? Hey, Jesus. Yeah. This one is soft. You know what they call soft? Do you have this? First, are you saying we should not buy? We should not go for stripe?
You see this one now.
Yeah.
I'm the one that cut it for customer. The man want to use it as so clothes.
Why?
They are using it as so clothes.
This one too now 2.5.
Quality 2.5.
Got a lot of venom in my veins. Got a lot of ice inside my bones. But baby, you should know I wasn't always this way. Yeah. Villains are made but never born. So we date and we touch and we fuck and we kiss, but you run away when I ask what this is. Cause you don't wanna get emotional. You should know, people like me, we don't like that. When you give false hope, and if you like me, and I like you back. I wanna know, people like me, we don't like that. When you give false hope, and if you bite me, I'm gonna bite back. I'm gonna bite back, I'm gonna bite back, yeah. I'm gonna say no plans. I'm gonna say no plans. I'm gonna say nope. I don't remember any of their names, but I got a lot of numbers in my phone. Baby, you should know I'll always run away. I never stay, yeah. Feelings are better off alone. So we date and we touch and we fuck and we kiss, but I run away when you ask what this is. I don't wanna get emotional, and so it goes. People like me, we don't like that. When you give false hope, and if you like me, and I like you back. I wanna know, people like me, we don't like that. When you give false hope, and if you bite me, I'm gonna bite back. I'm gonna bite back, I'm gonna bite back, yeah. I'm gonna say no plans. I'm gonna say no plans. you can't be the one to let me go. Now I've gotta hurt you. It's my lesson learned too. I never needed a hero. You will find me dancing on my own to the sound of a God-shaped drum. Fighting with keeps a heartless kid. I'm gonna say no, and I have learned to walk the world alone. 'Cause I'm more cool than cold. I'll never change, so I'm gonna say nope.
¿Cuánto tiempo tengo sin verte? En verdad no quiero creerte. Cuando te fuiste